Good morning, guys. Welcome to the illegal garage. Today we're gonna do something on the Tacoma. Let's use a little bit of protection for the interior. We got this kit from Screenprotech, automotive technology protection. That's the website right there. They sell screen protectors or kits for your truck or any car you want. You said this is for the little shifter screen down here. It comes with a nice microfiber towel. It comes with the squeegee. It comes with the soap. You just gotta add water, and of course a digital cluster screen protector, which goes right here, and entertainment screen protector, which goes right here. Today I'm gonna install this one first, just to see how it comes out. I already have a screen protector on my screen over here, but it's got a lot of bubbles, so depending on how this one comes out, then I'll remove this one later and then install the Screenprotech one. So we're gonna start with this one first. First we're gonna clean it real well. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, I already have some scratches right there, because this Tacoma binocles plastic scratches real easy when you get those in there, so I'm trying to keep it from getting any worse. So we're gonna spray the soapy water. We're gonna do the same on the protector. We're gonna spray the adhesive side first as we are peeling it off. Line it up over here. So we're just gonna line up the hole. Right there. That looks pretty good. We're gonna spray more soapy water. Of course, I put this one to keep it from getting wet, but it's still gonna get wet. And now we're gonna use the little squeegee that came with the kit. Squeegee off from top to bottom. Sorry if I'm on your way, but it's kind of hard to do it. gonna keep squeezing the water from the screen protector until we get it stuck in place. Clean the water, the excess water. It's looking pretty good. It's gonna look a little hazy at first while it dries, but it should dry clear when it's done. At least that's the theory. So now we're just drying. I got a little bubble over here, but it should come out easily. Looks like it's done. So we're just gonna keep drying until we get it how we like it. And I guess that's it. It's pretty easy. I got a little bubble down here. And that's it. As you can see, that was pretty easy. The scratches that were on this area, they don't look, I can't see them anymore. It just looks a little bit of haziness there, but it should go away when the soapy water dries out. It looks pretty clear. As you can see, everything still looks pretty good. This is a little bit of soapy water haziness, and when the soapy water dries out, all this haziness, I don't know if you guys can see it, should go away. But even with that, it still looks pretty good and it's protected from scratches. So we're gonna let it dry, see how it comes out at the end, and then we'll do the screen protector in another day. So that's it for today's video. I'm gonna post a link on the description for the Screenprotech kit, but you can see the website right there. So far with the installation, it's pretty easy, and so far I can say I like it. Thank you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, do all the good stuff. If you want to see more videos about my Cobra, right there you can see, look at my channel. And I don't have many videos about my Camaro, and more videos about the Tacoma also on my channel. Thank you very much. This is The Illegal Garage.